friends, Mme T here. I'm about to take you on my bread making journey. You're going to see the very first time I made sourdough bread by myself. A friend of mine invited me to her house the week before. She's so awesome. She makes a lot of bread and she showed me how she makes the bread, and I took some notes and I learned with her, and she gave me some starters. She's so awesome. And then you're about to watch me making it at my house by myself. And I have to be honest, I was really nervous. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to do it, but I want you to see my first time because I want you to know that it's actually very easy to do, and this is a channel about learning, so you're going to learn with me. And it turned out delicious. Like, my family devoured it, my boys ate it, we used it for school lunches, and I've since made quite a few other loaves. So you're going to see my journey. Please know that the video starts with the dough already mixed together, but if you want to see how I made the dough and what ingredients I used and my recipe, just wait till the end and I'll show you me mixing it together and give you my recipe so that you can try it too, because you're going to learn with Mme T and you're going to be amazing and awesome and make your own delicious bread at home too.
Okay everyone, I'm super excited. This dough has been sitting out since 4 p.m. so almost 18 hours on my counter. It is whole wheat sourdough bread and it's my first time making this alone. So it looks like it's popped out a good amount. I had it covered with a paper towel as well in the dark in my kitchen. So I'm gonna, oh, I can smell it, it smells good. I'm gonna pop it out and see if I can play with it a bit and do the folds that you need to do, which I find to be the hardest part of sourdough. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm gonna pop it out. I don't have a scraper yet, so I'm gonna use this really cool wooden scraper that I have. Okay, here it comes. It's a little sticky. Yeah, I'm gonna just pop it right out onto my counter. Okay, there it is. Looking good. Okay, it's important. Keep your rings off, so there you go. Look at that, so cute. Okay, and I have my new bread baskets, so I'm going to lightly flour them to get them ready for my sourdough. So I'm just giving them a good sprinkle. Be generous, you do not want them to stick. So here we go. Super excited to use these as well. I ordered these on Amazon. I can post the link down below. I'm just really shaking it out. Okay, now I'm going to play with my dough a little bit more. So you are supposed to turn it. Okay, and then flip it again over itself, kind of tying the ends in. You don't want to play with it too much. But then we're going to turn it back over, make it kind of a round ball. Yeah, and you can do that a few more times. Sprinkle the side a little, really mound it up. Okay, I think, I know it's kind of tucked, I'm going to tuck it a little more, and a little bit more, and then I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to tuck the ends a little bit more, and a little bit more. Oh yeah, it feels good. I'm feeling really good about this. I think it's gonna turn out. So this is a beginner. I'm a beginner. If I can do it, you can do it. So I'm gonna pop it in here. I want the seam side down. So there it is. I'm going to cover this with some plastic wrap. And let it sit, I guess, for about an hour to an hour and a half. And then we will check on it and see what happens. So I have my parchment paper here, ready for the bread. I'm going to unwrap it and turn it. Hopefully it slides out. Oh no. Oh, nice. So it looks all right. I mean, it's whole wheat, so I guess it rises less. I will kind of show you how it looks from the side. Okay, so I think it looks pretty good. And right now I have my Dutch oven warming up in the oven. I've set the oven to 450. So when it beeps, I will take the Dutch oven out. I will put this in. I just have to slice it so that it will bake a little better. Okay, it's going in the oven, 450. All right, moment of truth. Almost 24 hours later, my first time doing sourdough bread by myself. Tried it last weekend with a friend, and this time I made it
on her own.
Whole wheat.
It looks pretty good. Look at it.
This
time I made it 10 out of 10.
So here it is, right out of the oven. It smells really good. It looks really good. I'm really impressed. If I can do it, you can do it. I will post this recipe and let you give it a try. So in the messages below or in the comments, let me know if you want to try sourdough whole wheat bread and how it went.
I rate it 9 out of 10. I
rated it 10 out of 10. Here it is. I mean, come on, this is pretty good for the first time.
Pretty good.
And it smells really good too. So we're gonna taste it and let you know how it goes. I believe in you, and I believe in me. All right, now I'm gonna cut into my bread because you need to see the inside of my bread. We already tasted it, it's so good. All right, here we go. So I'm going to slice it. This is not the right knife, but okay. Okay. Oh, it's a thick slice. So nice, good crust, as you can see. And check it out. Like, just look at this. Like, I can't believe I made this, and it's so easy, and you can make it too. So I love bread with just olive oil and salt, but you can make a sandwich, butter, whatever you want, obviously, but you gotta try this recipe. It is so good, and good for you because sourdough is fermented, so it's good for your gut. And also this is whole wheat, which is better than white bread. No preservatives.